Welcome to the second part of the tutorial on market system. In this second part, we are going to discuss about the second factor of market system, which is supply. What is the definition of supply? You can see supply indicates the quantity of goods or services that the producers are willing to produce, or the producers have the ability to produce or offering to the customers. Supply indicates the quantity of goods or services that the producer or manufacturers are willing to offer and have the ability to offer or sell at various prices during a specific period. There is a law of supply. Whenever there is a increase in price, there will be a increased supplies. Whenever there is a increase of price of a product or service, there will be a increase in the supply. Vice versa. Whenever there is a decrease in price, there will be a lower supply. Since there is a positive relation, that's why the supply curve is upward sloping. Now we can see there are some other factors which affect the supply. As you can see, the cost of production can also create impact on supply. If the cost of input, the wages, raw material, energy cost, if there is a increase in prices of the inputs, there will be a lower supply. On the other hand, if there is a increased cost in the technology, there will be a lower supply. On the other hand, if there is a reducing cost for using the technology, then there will be a increasing supply. Now we can see the supply also depends on the number of sellers. If there are more farms, there will be a huge amount of supply. More farms will increase the supply. Now we can see the government policies can also create an impact on the supply. If the government increases the taxes, there will be a reducing supply. If the government provides subsidy, there will be a increase in supply. The supply also depends on the expectation about the future price. If the producer expect that in future there will be a increased price, so there will be a increased supply. So supply also depends on the natural condition, as for example the weather, natural disasters. If there is a natural disasters, then there will be a scarcity in the input, so in that case there will be a lower production, lower supply. So as a business graduate, you have to know the supply side factors, because this kind of factors should be considered for the decision of production cost, for the resource allocation, for responding to the market opportunities. This is the second part of the tutorial on market system. In the next part, we will discuss the equilibrium, as well as we will discuss about the elasticity. Thank you.